Today we are going to be talking about the cell cycle. So the cell cycle is a series of events that occurs in the life of a cell and is split into two major parts. Interphase, this is where the cell grows and is metabolically active, and mitotic phase, during which the cell divides, and this is important for cell growth and repair. So here we have the first phase. This is interphase. This is its own phase separate from the mitotic phase. So this is the cell. We have the nucleus, chromatin, the nuclei, and the centrioles. It's separated into three subphases, G1, S, and G2. During G1, the cell replicates its centrioles here, so it replicates these. S phase, replication, DNA synthesis is what is occurring. So it's creating identical copies of genetic material. Each daughter cell is genetically identical to its parent cell. And then we have G2. The cell continues to grow and synthesizes proteins for cell division. So basically, interphase is just the preparation for the mitotic phase. Okay, so now let's get into the mitotic phase. The best way to remember these things is to make a mnemonic. So for the mnemonic I have for this is PMAT. PMAT, please make a taco. And if you can't remember cytokinesis, I added the word currently. Please make a taco currently, but really it's please make a taco. So prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and currently would be cytokinesis. So for prophase, this is when DNA coils into chromosomes, nuclear membranes break down, and splinter fibers help move the chromosomes. So here we have the chromosomes, DNA. The DNA of the cell is beginning to coil into the chromosome shape, which is they represent the chromosome shape like that. That's a chromosome. And then the splinter fibers, this is the splinter fibers. It's going to help move the chromosomes into throughout the cell so it can separate into two. Next phase is the metaphase. This is literally meta, think of middle, middle. This is when the cells align in the middle. This is when the chromosomes align in the middle, the sister chromosomes. So these are the sister chromosomes. This is them aligning in the middle. This is the splinter fibers allowing it to move around. Now we have anaphase. Anaphase, you want to think of away. Something is moving away. So this is just when the chromosomes split away from each other. And then we have telophase. This is when the cell cytoplasm itself divides. So remember, this area inside of it is the cytoplasm of a cell. So this is when the cytoplasm is beginning to split, so the cells can become two. And then after that, after telophase, we have cytokinesis. This is when the cells create two identical copies to its parent cell, so they are the exact same, have the exact same everything. And yeah, you're literally just thinking of something that is splitting apart to create two separate entities. That's all that's happening. Thank you for watching. Follow for more anatomy and physiology studying sessions.